Okay, so I'm going to show you how to install Windows 11 on unsupported hardware. If it gives you this error, it doesn't want to install on your hardware, your CPU, RAM. It is complaining about something. So I'm going to use the Regedit to actually get past this and install Windows on your system. Right, so from here you go to local machine, HKey local machine. You go to system, then you go to setup, and then in setup you create a new key. So just right click on setup, select new key, and call it lab config. Right, so make sure lab config is selected, so that you're inside this lab config, and in here you're going to create 4 D words. Anyway, just say right click, new D word 32-bit value. So the first one is called bypass CPU check, and you have to spell it exactly like this with the capital letters and so on. So if you double click on it, you make that value 1, or you can just say modify 1. Yeah, then let's create 3 more. So this one is called bypass TPM check. Right, 1. D word, this one is called bypass RAM check. 1. And the last one is called bypass secure boot check. 1. Let me see if I spelled everything correct. Bypass CPU check, bypass TPM check, bypass RAM check, bypass secure boot check. 3 S's there. And this should do the trick. So let's see. You can just close that out. Yeah, it looks like it's working. Let's see. Choose that one next. Good. Works like a charm. Okay.